In this new CapCut tutorial, I'm going to show you a different way to create a zoom in and out transition in CapCut PC. So make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part of this tutorial. And now let's jump right into this video. So now, once you import your video in CapCut PC, there's actually two ways. One, you can just open a folder and just drag and drop the video. Or you can also click here on import. That's another way. So now here we have our video. Make sure you select your video and then you go to here, position and scale. Make sure you have this enabled and you also have this selected. And here, from here you can change the size, the scale, but I will actually like to zoom in right about here when she looks away. So here I will press on the keyboard Ctrl+B to add a cut, and then what I'm gonna do here, once I add this cut here, I'll just position this up, make sure is like this. And then you go here, and here we have to look for a zoom in transition. It's not exactly a zoom in because we can also add, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Just wait 1 second. And now here, make sure you add this transition. Okay, we need this transition in here, right when this transition, right in the middle of this transition, right here. Make sure here you move this cursor, this playhead, and you move it here, and then you go to basic and you add a keyframe, and you zoom in. You can add you should add a keyframe for position as well, for scale and for position. Move, you can also move from here as well, move around here. And now around here we just do zoom out and just position video the way we want. And now we have this transition that I really like. All right. Our video is playing like this. Make sure everything is set the way you want. And now we have this transition. So I hope you like this transition. Let me know in the comment section if you like this transition and you found this tutorial helpful. So that's pretty much how you zoom in. You just make sure you can select the video and you add a keyframe for scale, and then you can add a keyframe for position as well. Move a couple of frames ahead and add another keyframe. And you don't even have to add any keyframe, because if you change the scale, you will be added another keyframe automatically. You just have to change the position, the scale. So you can move from here, as I said, you don't really have to change from here. And that's how you add a keyframe, and after you add a keyframe, you can add another transition and you can move the video on top of the other video. So I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. Thank you.